Hi, I'm Jen Lezan. I run a creative studio based out of the Midwest that focuses on graphic, surface pattern design, and illustration. I have a background working in the fashion industry and teaching in higher education for the last 9 years. I specialize in creating surface pattern designs and other illustrated digital media working in the fashion, product, and stationery industries. You may know me from my previous classes here on Skillshare, which have focused on trend forecasting and developing trend reports. So what is this class about? This class will build on the skills and information learned in my previous 2 forecasting classes. You will take the lessons learned and see how to apply them in an actual product development process, specifically building pattern repeats for a pattern collection for surface pattern design inspired by the trend research that you did. You will learn how to take your research and decipher the groups of key trend ideas shown in the trend presentations and then apply them to product development and design. By using your findings as a form of inspiration, you will create illustrated motif concepts and color stories and then build a 6-piece surface pattern design collection. You will also learn about the basics of product development and of surface pattern design. You'll also learn why trend forecasting can be beneficial in developing a collection that sells and how to apply it to designs in a product mock-up process so you can showcase your work in a portfolio. So essentially, this class is geared towards intermediate learners. While you don't need any prior experience in the fashion industry, an interest in fashion and trends would be really helpful, and some experience using technology will be helpful. I would suggest you take my first 2 fashion courses though, as this class builds on the information you learned in those courses, and it builds off the project that you created in trend forecasting too. The information outlined in the lessons is meant to be informative and offer a new perspective on the fashion industry and give you an opportunity to create a project that allows you to apply the skills that you've learned and work in the affinity programs and in Procreate. Some very basic technical abilities will be needed, as I will be showing you step by step how to use Procreate on the iPad and how to build your pattern in the affinity photo program on a desktop so that you can create a raster-based repeat pattern.